Welcome to Business Live. I am Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick things off talking about Carbon Producers Jamaica Limited, CPJ trading in their shares. Advisor at Connected Party sold just over 871,000 shares of CPJ on October 14th. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, one of the leading financial conglomerates in Jamaica, trading in their shares as well. Advisory and executive sold in Sagicor Jamaica just over 10,000 shares on October 13th. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, not the investment bank, Mayberry Investments, trading in their shares as well. Quite a lot of corporate actions happening in the marketplace in terms of trading in shares. Connected Party of Mayberry Jamaican Equities purchased 6,000 shares in MJE, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, on October 14th. Now, leading microcredit company, microfinance company, Dolla Financial, smashing its third quarter earnings. Financial numbers, huge numbers here. Loan book topping well over $1 billion Jamaican. Released the numbers to the JSE for the third quarter ended September 30th. Now, Dolla Financial's loan book, net of provisions, expected credit losses, closed the quarter at $1.16 billion. Topping that important milestone, significant milestone, $1 billion Jamaican dollars or more. Now, interest income for the third quarter increased to 176.9 million Jamaican from 68.1 million Jamaican year over year. And for the third quarter, net profits surged that critical bottom line to 70.1 million versus 22.3 million year over year. Now, getting to the year to date numbers, 9 months net profit jumped to just under 200 million Jamaican, 188 million Jamaican versus 43.1 million Jamaican year over year. Talk about growth happening there, well over the market average, above average numbers there for Dolla Financial. Last up, overseas markets, Tesla Inc. here misses their third quarter revenue numbers, sending the share price, the stock price, down even further. Now, the growth rate here was very impressive, but the PE ratio for Tesla, 71 times. That's what's creating a stir in the marketplace there, because basically the PE ratio being at 71 times. They want to see growth well over 70% to justify that PE ratio. We're going to get to that tonight. Now, the bottom line here, share price presently around 205, 210 US per share. About a month ago, Tesla was actually at 309, so big drop off there and continuing. Tesla's 52-week high, to put into perspective, 414 and 50 cents in terms of US dollars. So even though Tesla's revenue rose for the quarter by 56%, they still miss the revenue estimates. And look at this, just by a little, but that's the US market field. Estimate was 21.96 billion US, coming in for the quarter at 21.45 billion. Just that little miss, sending the share price lower. Earnings, as we mentioned, were up 70% year over year, but despite that big 70% growth, and it came in 5 cents ahead of analyst expectations. Look at that PE ratio. Clearly the market is saying they want Tesla to grow earnings at 100% or higher. Super growth rate to get that share price back up there. We'll see what happens with Muskie and Tesla going forward. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a great evening.